All right, we're out here in this upper garden, and we got this row of potatoes we're gonna dig. So I guess about 50 foot of potatoes we put in back toward around the end of March, I guess, when we planted them. So we're gonna see what kind of harvest we get out of that row, and then we're gonna go ahead and get all this other stuff out of this garden and get it worked in. Probably we plant something else or put a cover crop in, and so we're gonna dig this and see what we get. All right, so we got those potatoes dug. I think that was about a 50-foot row, and we started out with 10 pounds of seed potatoes, and I think that was a pretty good harvest. We got two 5-gallon buckets, and that's probably at least another 5-gallon bucket worth right there. So I don't know what that weighs, but I think we're satisfied with what we got. We only had one bad potato out of the whole bunch that we dug. So anyway, that's our potato harvest. I think we did pretty good. I mean, a lot of the potatoes were this size. You know, you had them some this size, and there were a few that were smaller like this, but all in all, we planted 10 pounds of the Kennebec white potatoes, and I took these in and weighed them, and we ended up getting a little over 83 pounds back out. So that was pretty good. Now, like I said, I got these and another box full right here. So yeah, all in all, I think that turned out pretty good. And I thought about putting in a fall harvest. Go on, chicken. And I'm not sure if it's too late or not, but let me know in the comments what you think about that. I think I got enough time, maybe if I get it in late this week or early next week, maybe I got enough time to get a harvest out before the first frost we get. But and I might just give it a try. Worst thing I can do is either have some small potatoes and not really be out anything. And so we're gonna get these on the rack in here in that cool building, and try to cure them out a little bit, and I think probably pack some of them up, and hopefully they'll be good for a while. We'll be eating them along the way, and I guess we'll probably end up canning some of these potatoes. So anyhow, all in all, I think that was pretty good. We had 10 pounds going in, and it's really the first time we've, pretty much grown any amount of potatoes. I think next year we're going to probably do at least 3 50-foot rows. So we eat a lot of potatoes. I imagine through the year we probably eat 250 pounds of potatoes in a year. So anyway, this does help, and for what we had going in and what we got back out, I thought that was pretty good. But anyhow, if you got any comments on this, just go ahead and leave them. And if you like this kind of thing, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll just notify you whenever we come out with a video. So hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.